This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Katheleen Shin Shian. This historical duplex is a great opportunity for an investor or an owner-occupied property. The property features a newer roof, gutters, and downspouts, 2022. The first unit has newer vinyl floors and Unit 2 has newer carpet installed, 2023. Unit 1 is 1 bed, 1 bath. Unit 2 is 2 beds, 1 bath. Enjoy a private patio and a large storage/workshop area. Each unit has its own water heater and electric box. Amazing location, less than 5 minutes to both Ault Park and Mt Lookout Square and less than 15 minutes to downtown Cincinnati. Both units are vacant, perfect to move in or rent out. For more information, review the details below or contact Katheleen Shin Shian at 206-372-0046.